In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the infamous Gmail session expired issue. Now, this is a problem that can pop up at the most inconvenient times and can definitely be a source of frustration, but don't worry, we've got a simple solution that takes only moments to get you back up and running smoothly. So, what's this all about? Essentially, when you experience a session expiration, it's Gmail's way of saying it's time for you to sign in again. Maybe you've logged in from a different device, or perhaps some background security updates have triggered this issue. No matter the cause, the first and most straightforward step to take is simply to sign in again. To do this, open your browser and go to the Gmail page. You'll likely find yourself in a scenario where Google prompts you to re-enter your credentials. If you're already on the Gmail page and you're prompted with a session expired notice, just click on the sign in link in the message. Once you access the sign in screen, re-enter your email address and password. And that's it. This simple step should resolve the issue in most cases. Here's a tip: if you're in the habit of checking the stay signed in box, it can occasionally help mitigate frequent session expirations, especially if it's something you experience often. However, also bear in mind that for security reasons, especially on shared computers, it might be wise not to enable this feature. Now, if you've re-entered your credentials but the session expired notice persists, it might be time to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Browsers store bits of information about the websites you visit, which can sometimes lead to conflicts, including session issues, so clearing them can often resolve the problem. Most browsers allow you to do this from their settings or history tab, usually under something like clear browsing data. Once you've done this, try signing in again to see if that helped. On a similar note, if you're finding that the issue still isn't resolved, consider disabling any browser extensions you might have running. Sometimes extensions can interfere with web applications, including Gmail. Try turning these off one by one, signing in after each one to see if they might be affecting your Gmail access. By following these steps, you're equipping yourself with simple and effective solutions to tackle the Gmail session expired problem. Remember, technology can act up from time to time, but with these tips you'll be ready to navigate through those digital hiccups smoothly. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. See you next time.